Our next part of the video is going to be about treatment for premature ejaculation. तो जो नाजरीन psychological interventions हैं, they are usually very very effective in addressing premature ejaculation. Particularly हमने ये करना है कि we have to establish the root cause of premature ejaculation if the cause is not physical. So the psychological treatments जो हैं, they usually involve therapy or behavioral techniques and sometimes in combination with pharmacological stuff like medication. मैं आपको बताता चलूँगा later on how you can help yourself through that. तो cognitive behavioral therapy यानी कि अपने ख्यालों को appropriately रखना, अपने failures को magnify ना करना in sex before, in your past experiences, staying in the moment, concentrating on the act of sexual activity are by far the most best ways to work through and identify and challenge negative thought patterns and behaviors relating to sex. आपको मैं एक example दूँ, if performance anxiety is contributing to premature ejaculation, a doctor can help the individual reframe those thoughts and adopt a healthier, less anxious mindset. So it's all about mind. It's all about the ability to keep yourself in the present. Loads of people have then concentrated on the next step of the treatment is known as sex therapy. So sex therapy जो है इस पे बहुत काम हुआ है, including there are people who are very well known like Masters and Johnsons. तो ये जो therapist है, एक चूँकि sex is an encounter between two people, so we usually tend to involve the couple. When I kind of provide treatment, so I have a male therapist, which is myself, and then I can involve a female therapist. So they can individually deal initially with, the woman can deal with the woman and the man can deal with the man in terms of ताकि उसमें कोई झिझक या expression में कोई चीज़ रह ना जाए. So important है कि हम address करें relationship की dynamics क्या हैं और वो उस रिश्ते में क्या problem है, if at all, या individual में problem है या दोनों में problem है. So a sex therapist helps couple work through issues relating to communication, issues relating to emotional intimacy and sexual satisfaction, and what one person expects from the other. तो ये basically they are exercises designed to desensitize the anxiety around sex and increase the focus is more around building sexual confidence. So mindfulness and relaxation techniques are very essential to be able to deal with stress and then to be able to deal with the mindset that can actually affect the sexual functioning. So mindfulness-based interventions are extremely helpful. और ये basically anxiety को कम करते हैं, the anxiety that underlies premature ejaculation. So you can practice techniques like deep breathing, अपना 4 सेकंड सांस को अंदर लेके जाएं, रोकें और 4 सेकंड के बाद उसको रिलीज करें. Progressive muscular relaxation, guided medication, sauna, a hot bath, perhaps can all reduce overall anxiety and help individuals remain more present during sex. तो ख्याल इधर उधर जब चले जाते हैं सेक्स के दौरान तो फोकस कम होता है, then obviously the people are not able to perform optimally. तो हमने ये सिखाना है कि you have to focus on the pleasure of the experience. This is by far the most important statement rather than on the performance or the fear of premature ejaculation. कुछ और techniques हैं जो कि physical techniques हैं, इनको हम squeeze technique कहते हैं, ये behavioral technique है. They are recommended by therapists to help men learn to control ejaculation. So the technique really involves the man or his partner applying pressure to the base of the penis, just below the head. And the timing has to be right when the man feels he's nearing ejaculation. So this can help delay the orgasm and improve sexual control and premature ejaculation over time. So this is a technique you have to practice over a length of time, and you have to take your partner into confidence as regards to, and perhaps training of the partner is also important to help break the cycle of premature ejaculation. Another important technique is the stop-start technique, यानी कि आप जब सेक्स शुरू करते हैं and when you're about to ejaculate, you stop and withdraw. So this method involves stopping sexual activity before the point of ejaculation and waiting for the arousal level to subside, and then starting again with the sexual activity. So this idea is to help the man develop greater control over his response during sex and gradually extend the time before ejaculation occurs. With time, many men find that they can increase their control over ejaculation and lengthen the duration of sexual activity. I've already mentioned couple counseling because it's a problem between two people. This can be really beneficial in addressing both the emotional and physical aspects of the issue. In sessions में feelings, fears, expectations, improving understanding of each other and enhancing emotional intimacy can be addressed. अब दवाओं के बारे में मैं आपको बताता चलूँ कि while psychological treatment is the key, बट हाँ, हमारे यहाँ पाकिस्तान में ज़्यादा फोकस साइकोलॉजिकल फैक्टर्स पे नहीं होता एंड पीपल आर काइंड ऑफ लुकिंग फॉर क्विक फिक्सेस एंड मेडिकेशन समटाइम्स कैन रियली हेल्प देम. तो एक ग्रुप ऑफ ड्रग्स है विच आर एंटी डिप्रेसेंट्स नोन एज द सेलेक्टिव सेरोटोनिन रीअपटेक इनहिबिटर्स. इसमें व्हाट आई हैव फाउंड बेनिफिशियल ऑफ व्हाट माय पेशेंट्स टेल मी दैट दीज एज अ साइड इफेक्ट ऑफ एंटी डिप्रेसेंट्स कैन डिले इजैक्यूलेशन. तो एक दवा है जिसको सर्ट्रलिन कहते हैं, दैट्स अबाउट 25 मिलीग्राम्स. अगर आप सेक्सुअल एक्टिविटी से पहले ले लें तो यू कैन डिले द सेक्सुअल इजैक्यूलेशन. और भी चीज़ें हैं लाइक टॉपिकल क्रीम्स जिसमें बेसिकली एनेस्थेटिक क्रीम्स हैं जिसमें लाइडोकेन है या प्रिलोकेन है. सो दे बेसिकली numb the tip of the penis. So these are available in creams or sprays and they can also reduce. But see, काम ऐसे करती हैं कि sensation को reduce करती हैं. Whilst they may be not as pleasurable as just not using them, but they can certainly help to delay ejaculation during intercourse and improve. More often than not, people do not focus on their physical health. तो जो pelvic floor exercises हैं to strengthen the pelvic floor के muscles हैं जो हमारे hip के इर्द-गिर्द हैं, इनको हम Kegels की exercises करते हैं. So these sometimes help improve ejaculatory control. तो ये तमाम तर वही मसल होते हैं जो कि पेशाब या यूरिन के डिस्चार्ज करने में involved होते हैं. So if you're able to contract and relax the muscles that are used to stop urination, this can really help overall sexual function and control. Important ये है कि आपने अपनी general physical health के बारे में भी ख्याल रखना है. So amongst the Kegel exercises, that could be an added point to your daily workout to improve your physical health. So next video is to about what are really the key points to take home or to remember. सबसे important बात है कि premature ejaculation is more often about the mind than the body. ये बहुत important message है. दिमाग आपका माइक्रोचिप है, आपका कंप्यूटर है, इसने तमाम तर सिग्नल्स भेजने हैं आपके पीनस को, आपके हार्ट को, आपके लंग्स को, आपके स्टमक को, आपकी आंतड़ियों को. सो इसकी जो माइंड ओवर मैटर जिसे कहते हैं ना, ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट एक इडियम है, इसको इग्नोर मत करें. तो जब इंसान स्ट्रेस्ड होता है या एंक्शस होता है, सेक्सुअल परफॉर्मेंस तो वैसे ही ख़त्म हो जाती. सो यू हैव टू एड्रेस your anxiety, stress, and certainly a close look you need to have between the relationship dynamics, which major, in my opinion, are the factors that contribute to premature ejaculation. So sex therapy is also important to address the underlying mental and emotional issues. अगर आपको डिप्रेशन है या एंग्जाइटी है जो कि ठीक नहीं हो रही और 4 हफ्ते से ज़्यादा है, and if there is reduced desire to have sex or reduced desire or interest, then you must seek professional help, and certainly antidepressants are there and other modalities are there to help to treat you. अब तो हमारे पास बहुत सारी ऐसी दवाएं आ गई हैं नहीं जो कि आदमी की सेक्सुअल फंक्शनिंग को इम्पेयर नहीं करती whilst improving their mood. So relaxation techniques, mindful activities, but physical exercise I would certainly recommend. And key is to stop worrying about ejaculation. So आपकी ejaculation is more in terms of what your partner is expecting. अगर आपका communication अच्छा है तो ये आपको कोई आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आपकी ये चीज़ें बेहतर हो जाएंगी in terms of achieving greater satisfaction for the couple. तो कई केसेस में हम सारी चीज़ें इकट्ठी भी करते हैं, साइकोलॉजिकल ट्रीटमेंट भी है, मेडिकेशन भी है, बिहेवियरल टेक्निक्स भी है, और ये जनरली अगर आप ये सब चीज़ें करें सो यू कैन हैव अ वेरी प्रोडक्टिव, सेटिस्फाइंग एंड वेरी pleasurable sexual experience. Sex is a gift from God, you know. It has been given to us for the purposes of procreation, and for procreation to happen, it has to be a pleasurable activity. So I hope you found this useful. If you have found this useful, please share this. Don't feel shy about talking about sex. Don't feel shy about communicating with your partner. Don't feel shy about reading about these things. Spread the message. Thank you very much. And if you have liked the video, please do subscribe to our portal, as this helps to improve the quality of our videos and to be able to spread the message to where it needs to go. Thank you very much, and I shall see you soon. Allah ke hawale, and stay safe till then.